Today we are making caramel custard pudding. Just look at this texture. It has come out so well. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the like and share button if possible. Let's begin with the caramel preparation. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar to a pan and melt it down on low flame. Ensure that you keep stirring throughout the process. Once it reaches this texture, add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix well. Now transfer the caramel to the bowl and keep it aside. Add milk to the same pan which was used to make the caramel and add 5 tablespoons of sugar and bring the milk to boil. Meanwhile, mix 4 tablespoons of custard powder along 100 ml milk. Add it to the boiling milk and keep stirring for 2 minutes on medium flame until no lumps. Now mix 1 tablespoon of Agar Agar along with 100 ml water. Heat until thick texture is formed. Agar Agar can be replaced with corn flour or gelatin as well, and mix it with the custard. Transfer it to the caramel bowl and rest it for few hours. Refrigerate for better results. Detailed recipe is available in the description below.